Hey everybody, it's David again for Real Hardware Reviews, and today we're diving into the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16, a laptop that's been catching attention and sparking conversations. So get ready as we explore it all, from the sleek design to the versatile ports. Let's jump in. The G16 impresses me with its sleek matte black design, offering both style and practicality. This sleek appearance isn't just for looks. The matte finish not only adds sophistication, but also keeps the laptop remarkably clean by resisting fingerprints. The slimline design adds to the overall sleekness, making it a style statement in the world of gaming laptops. Weighing slightly over 2 kilograms in the review configuration and measuring approximately 20 millimeters in thickness. The construction is well built and it has the ability to also open the screen at 180 degrees. And when it comes to port, there's a decent variety of ports available, featuring an HDMI 2.1 and 2 USB-C ports. One of these supports Thunderbolt 4 via DisplayPort via the iGPU, while the other facilitates DisplayPort via the dedicated GPU. On the right side, there are a couple of USB 3.2 Gen 2 type ports, and that's about it. Moving on to the front, typing on the G16 is an absolute delight. The keyboard is inherited from its predecessor, the G15, which boosts well-spaced keys and a satisfying key travel. The RGB lighting is powered by a single-zone RGB backlit keyboard, allowing users to customize the lighting according to their preference. Asus could have added more than a single-zone RGB, but overall, it's okay. And let's not forget about the precision touchpad for smooth navigation. It's fairly large and it's pretty easy to use. Now, looking at the display, the G16 features a Nebula display with a practical 16:10 format and a sharp QHD resolution with a 240Hz refresh rate. Here's my take on the display. Asus really nailed it with its panel. The high resolution brings out sharp and clear visuals, and the 240Hz is a blast for gaming. And the colors are vibrant without being too much. Plus, with its stable viewing angles, it's also great for movie nights with friends and family. Speaking about movies, the G16 speakers provide excellent audio quality, with the main ones positioned at the bottom and additional sound elements coming through the grills beside the keyboard. The result is a rich sounding experience with satisfying bass and ample volume. One major issue I have is with the webcam. It's only 720p and the video quality itself leaves a lot to be desired, as you can see from the video, though it does have built-in Windows Hello for easy login. But a laptop's true performance lies under the hood. Underneath that sleek chassis, the G16 packs a serious punch. Fueled by the Intel Core i9-13900H and an RTX 4060, this laptop is a performance beast. The latest Intel Raptor Lake processor has a total of 14 cores with 6 high-performance cores and 8 efficiency cores for a balanced and efficient performance. The G16 also came equipped with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe drive. In our synthetic benchmarks, we ran PCMark 10, Geekbench 6, and Cinebench 2024, and the results were really impressive. In Cinebench 2024, it scored 799 in single core and 925 in multi-core. In Geekbench, it showed around 2689 in single core and 12,038 in multi-core. And finally, in PCMark 10, it gave a score of 9,950. Making it a great performer into day-to-day tasks. Now let's see how the G16 handles the gaming arena. In the newest Call of Duty Warzone, with a mix of medium to high settings, with DLSS enabled at QHD resolution, this laptop delivered an impressive 90 frames per second. Transitioning to Cyberpunk 2077, we achieved around 71 frames per second, with settings balancing between visual fidelity and performance using Nvidia's latest DLSS 3 technology. As for competitive gaming, the finals ran smoothly at 115 frames per second. Now, as we push the Zephyrus through some intensive tasks, we observe that temperatures can reach up to 95 degrees Celsius on the CPU core, which does cause it to turbo throttle. This laptop does get hot under pressure, and it's a trade-off for the power you're getting, and it's crucial to manage expectation based on your usage. Now let's address the elephant in the room: fan noise. When pushing the Zephyrus G16 through hot intensive tasks like gaming, we measured the fan noise and it reached up to 70.2 decibels. While it's noticeable, it is in line with the kind of performance you're getting. So if you're diving into some heavy gaming sessions, expect the fans to kick in. Now, with great power comes a trade-off. In the G16's case, it's its battery life. Under moderate usage, think, web browsing and a bit of video streaming, you can get around 6 hours. However, fire up demanding games like the Finals or Warzone and the number drops to a few hours. It's definitely not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider. But let's dive into our final thoughts and opinions on this machine. Alright, let's get real. For those craving raw processing power, the Intel Core i9-13900H with its 14 cores delivers on all fronts. But, and it's a big but, be ready to make it dang your wallet and keep your charger close. And of course, the price tag, it's on the higher side. But if you're a content creator or a serious gamer with the budget, this might be the laptop for you. And thus, this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and also ring that notification bell. This is David from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.